If you are driving a diesel truck and notice a strange smell from the exhaust or your fuel economy is starting to tank, you might be facing the P2200 code. This code stands for a malfunction in the nitrogen oxide sensor circuit on bank 1, which is a critical part of the emissions system in modern diesel vehicles found in the United States. Because diesel engines run so hot, they produce a lot of nitrogen oxides and soot, which is why engineers develop these sensors to monitor exactly what is coming out of your tailpipe. The engine control module uses this data to adjust how the engine runs and to manage the exhaust treatment system. Since the exhaust is one of the dirtiest places on your vehicle, these sensors often get caked in black soot, which prevents them from reading the levels correctly. When the computer detects a fault in the circuit or the sensor itself, it triggers the check engine light, and you might notice an erratic idle or excessive smoke when you step on the gas. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains the number 1 cylinder, so you will need to check your service manual to find exactly which sensor you are dealing with. Common causes include a defective sensor or a dirty pickup that is covered in carbon buildup. Sometimes the wires get burnt or melted because they are routed so close to the hot exhaust pipes. To fix this, you should start with a careful visual inspection of the sensor and its wiring harness. If the sensor looks intact, you can try cleaning it, but be very careful when removing it. These sensors go through thousands of heat cycles and often get seized in the exhaust hole. If you have to use heat to break it loose, never point the flame directly at the sensor because you will destroy the internal components. You can also check the connector for any corrosion or loose pins that might be causing a bad connection. If you are not comfortable working around a hot exhaust system or using a torch, it is best to let a pro handle this one. Keeping your emissions system in top shape is not just about passing inspection, it is about making sure your diesel engine stays efficient and powerful for the long haul.